Daddy.
Antonisha, you get so big. Boy, I made a miss and I'm not lie. How you been? What you been doing? Which part your brother there? I want to see him too. Never surprised.
A surprise? What is now, Daddy? Now tell me again. You have another pitney, don't it? A that, right? You not say nothing. A that.
You always know for real me good, you know. I'm not lie. When I show my daughter about me, I go look into it.
Well, hopefully this one normal, unlike the other one them we have.
Only normal. Junior normal. We not talk about. I don't bother with it, man. You're too much.
Hi. I'm so happy for meet you, Anthony. Me Jackson's girlfriend, Tanisha. This is your grandson, Ashane. Ashane, this is your grandpa.
Hey, big boy, man. Boy, I'm favor your bad boy.
Yeah, me that hope say he would look more like Jackson.
Well, hopefully not act like Jackson. Are you pretty too, so don't worry about it.
Thanks, Anthony. You're so sweet. When him born, him was 7 pounds 13 ounces. Was Jackson that big when him born? I seen baby picture of him.
Wait, I'm a granddaughter that? No, man. Hold on there. Grandpa soon check again. Alright, O'Shane? Boy, I can't believe me have so much grand pitney. Come bring her, Miss here.
This is your granddaughter, Jackson. Right, my pretty baby.
She favor Jackson, man.
I know her, but a girl. Come talk about she don't look like him. But she a jet. But say me not like her, you see, man. Chat, that's all she do. She just call me all tight. And me body big look.
So man, yeah, get it going now then, see ya. You'll be a pro. You remember now? Remember who? Remember who me is? Just think hard. Remember when me and you meet? We meet by Elsha Beach? Remember? Just relax a little bit. Alright?
Me and Donovan used to dance to this song. Ushpal Donovan day.
Not here anymore. Oh shit, I forget about the Franks. I'm all on the tents here. How much Franks you want? Tensia? What the hell? Tensia? Tensia?
What a boy the Donovan the man. Donovan. I'm so glad you came.
Well, we couldn't go a day without seeing her.
We have to make it quick. My dad will be back. He's very cranky and miserable, and he still doesn't like you. You look really good, Anthony. Like you haven't aged.
You look good too. But you should tell me about my daughter what you hide it for. You know I'm not afraid of your father. You could at least meet up with me so I see my baby. But I'm not pray you. I know all the things set. Which part should I?
I told her you were coming. Hold on. She can be a bit of a blabbermouth, like you.
This is my father? Oh my god. You look just like me. I'm Jade. Nice to meet you.
Why, you pretty, man? No, sir. All of my daughter, them pretty.
Daughters? I have sisters?
Yeah, man.
Oh my god, I can't believe me have sisters. I'm so excited. Oh, how old are they?
Don't worry, man. I'll bring them out so I can meet one of them. The other one live in America, though.
Can't believe I have sisters.
Yo, what going in here? Yo, wanna cut that out the man I want to know? Jackson. What? Jackson. Tanisha. Shanice. Yo, wanna bill now? What if you're arguing it out? Tanisha. Tanisha. You can sit down here and make the woman in my war. The baby in the house and I want to you. Get up off your ass and go deal with this now. Move like you have sense and you tell you be mad than this now. Oh. Don't tell me how to run my house, alright? If more them war, I want to you, this is nothing to do with you. And my woman them that. If them war, them go war. Mind your own business now, old man. Yo. You're still fucking disrespectful like we always been, eh? Remember you know you to my house, this, you know. So watch how you talk to me. I'm kick you out of this. Make you go up on roadside. Have some damn respect for me. I ain't idea me your father. Learn to respect me now. I want to you. Me left you in charge of the house. And look where you are going. Look on all them something here. Eh? Look on them something here. And a madness this I go on you. And your sister in the house. Like you just sit down and think. You sit down and think more you do. You can't go on them slack you say I'm a house my youth. Or if you move two girl in here, you know them look sit there go on. Use your sense, no? Where you take this for?
Like all madness done. I'm sick of that family, you know.
Tanisha, what the hell I want? Or what I want me couldn't always a war, so eh? Like me understand the situation, yes, but what all of this for?
Well, look like Jackson never tell you say that girl out there so is my half sister. And him had the audacity to even move her in here. I was living in here first, Anthony, and he move her in here.
Boy, that you there even understand, you know. But Tanisha, you can't get in a local argument, you know, what if something serious did happen? You must say you have your son for live for, you know, you have to think about that. No matter what the foolishness.
No disrespect, you know, Anthony, but I'm tired for seeing a girl in my face, in my space every single day. I want her to leave.
And Tanisha tell me she's homeless, so I guess.
Okay, guess what? She for stay in here. So I don't really think it's normal that my half sister pregnant for my boyfriend and she'll live here. Eh? Yes, the girl pregnant again. And she already have that little demon pick me up.
It's alright, baby, it's alright. I'm gonna go figure this thing out, you know. Why? When no one else had so much chaos that you tell that bringing them house. Pure excitement and drama. Antonisha, why you never tell me say all them something you go on?
I never they want to worry you with everything. I mean, no say you're stressed at Canada, so I never they want to bother you.
Yeah, boy, you still have to make me know what go on. before Jackson turned the place upside down.
Daddy, me this set here already said don't make him live here.
Yeah, I know about you. You can't expect me for just...
Expect you for just what, Daddy?
You need a man strength in the house, you know that.
Man strength? Man strength? Jackson don't have no sense. And his son. Boy, it's a lot for taking, you know. Look at me for steer, look a while. Sort out things. Between everybody. Sorry. Daddy, me alright, you know. And I got file for me for go America. And you know me I study for be a nurse. So, me alright with all of this. Come in all day a favor. You know that.
Boy, all my picking them I get big. Baby are born. I just feel like the time just pass by. You know? But more tell you sorry again for everything I put you through.
Daddy, relax now. You have me in a one safe house. Haven't you?
Well, not that safe. With them two mad people here.
Tanisha alright. But just not like our sister. She's just a one next level of whoring girl. Excuse my French. Yeah, she really different still, man, not lie. Should I try flirt with me too? That's she. If the baby never look like Jackson, me would have questioned it too. Grandma Tensia? What are you doing here? Why are you outside in the hot sun?
Look, girl, you see me can't find my husband, Donovan. Say him not go down a market, go buy food, but I know him not come back. What the madness are going in here, man?
Grandma, your husband is not here with us. Did you forget that he passed away years ago? Grandma, did you walk all the way from which part you live come here?
Daddy, I don't like when you ask me foolishness. Which part your father there?
Daddy! Daddy! I tell you, say we should do this when everybody left, you know. You don't like listening, no? You don't like listening at all. Daddy, Grandma's here and she acting weird. She keep on asking for your father. So yeah, I say, Grandma, you meet Bob Marley for sure?
Oh, you mean? I go down a trench town and I see the boy. You know, so I go there with him, but I let him go.
Really? Why would you do that? Why would you let him go, Grandma?
Because me never had a war with a girl, Rita. Day, you know, say I'm sorry, but how I treat you.
What are you talking about? How did you treat me?
Me boss you around too much. You like you too much. I should have never do that. Actually, they kind of hard upon me with your father. You know, him never really that help me. Then him go breed a woman there and get her twins. Should have never take out my frustration upon Uno.
Mommy, you alright? Mommy, why you walk all the way here? Why you never call me and we come pick you up and you come spend the day with me? You know me have the car, I could have come for you, never for walking in the hot sun. What's you live so far? Don't do that again, mommy, alright? You go worry me.
Daniel, which part your father there? Me can't find him. Which part him there?
Mommy, daddy dead for years now. Come on, come here. You're gonna be alright, alright, mommy? You're gonna be alright.
Yeah, tell me say me alright for. Me want to ask your father something. But him always I go down to that girl lay hard. You know me to see her do one belly. But I tell you that before, so me see the girl with a belly. You know, say me feel like I your father breeder. I him breeder.
Yes, mommy. Me know, alright?
How him for breeder and him not even help me with uno. Whole wicked man.